I can't. I'm lactose intolerant. I'll get gas. Uh-oh. Hey guys, come on, break it up! Do I have to come in there and pull the two of you apart? Sorry, I'm lactose intolerant. Hey, did you hear the one about the guy who was lactose intolerant?